Make 2020 for the greatest comeback of your life. Do these 8 things to become unrecognizable in 60 days. 1. Manage your time. You're not overwhelmed. You're an organist. Wake up earlier, create to-do list, set deadlines, stick to your schedule. 2. Focus on one thing. Everyone wants results, but nobody wants to stay focused. The gap between your current life and the life you want is called focus. Focus 100% on one thing instead of doing 5 things with 20% focus each. 3. Make gradual improvements. You can't go to level 10 with level 1 habits. Start by reading 1 page. Start by writing 1 paragraph. Start by doing 1 workout. Start today. Then focus on getting 1% better every day. Minor improvements over time lead to big changes. 4. Look at things diagnostically. Instead of focusing on negative, ask yourself, what am I in control of? What can I do better? How can I improve things? A problem-solving mindset will help you move past roadblocks much faster. 5. Create a high-value network. Evolution designed humans to get along with each other for survival, which means you'll adopt the traits, habits, and mindsets of those around you. Reduce time with people who hold you back. Increase time with those who can pull you forward. 6. Read quality books. Books have high ROI. You get decades of knowledge condensed in a few hours of reading. The time, money, and mistakes you save yourself are worth the investment. Make it a daily habit and you'll get yearly returns. 7. Get into deep work. Your focus is currency. How you spend it is your biggest investment. Block off a few hours focus on one thing. Remove distractions. They'll get you ahead of 90% of people. 8. Find your purpose. Without direction or a clear plan, living a fulfilled life is hard. Everything in life becomes easier once you find your purpose and get clarity on what's next.